Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing simple blockers. Make sure volume is up, the mute switch and do not disturb are off, and Bluetooth is disabled so audio isn't routed elsewhere. Once done, unplug any wired headphones and play a ringtone to verify the speaker. Next, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches, and then boot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app is causing audio issues. If sound returns in safe mode, an app is likely the culprit. You now dig deeper into settings. Open the app permissions and confirm microphone and audio access for affected apps, and verify media and in-call volumes, plus any accessibility audio options like mono output. Make sure the speaker grill is clear. Use gentle compressed air or a soft brush, and record a voice memo to isolate microphone versus speaker failures. If nothing changes, update the OS, uninstall recently added apps that might hijack audio, and you reach the final phase. Back up your data and perform a factory reset only if software fixes fail, because this clears persistent system-level corruption. If the problem persists post-reset, test with wired earphones or Bluetooth speakers. Consistent failure indicates hardware damage, and you should visit an authorized repair shop. Make sure to run a diagnostics or record and playback test to determine whether the speaker, microphone, or audio codec is at fault. This one test directs your next repair choice efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.